Hi guys! We're actually at I12KATONG today, and Garvie, do you know why we're actually at I12KATONG today?
Why?
Because we're actually having a HardwareCity Atrium sale. Follow us, come on! Okay, so today, right, we are actually at I12KATONG and we are having HardwareCity Online is actually having a
Roadshow
today. So follow us and we'll show you where it's located at.
Actually, it is located at level 1.
Yes.
But we do have our shop here, right?
Yeah.
At
If
the
you go to our shop, it's possible as well. It's actually located at basement.
Basement 1. Yeah, basement 1.
Basement 2 is car park.
Yeah, so basement 1, our store.
Alright, so this is actually at our HardwareCity Atrium sale, and we're actually located at level 1. And Garvie, so when is this sale going to be until?
From now until February 15, guys. And this one, guys, open 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. guys.
So if you haven't shopped for your Chinese New Year stuff, right, it's a good time for you to drop by our Asian sales now.
Yes, guys. Come.
So besides cleaning and preparation, cooking is also very important, and we have all the home appliances, cooking appliances over here, from AEROGAZ, from the air fryer to induction cooker to even your portable stove as well, toasters, kettles, as well as your water dispenser to give your kitchen a brand new look. And what's more important, rice cooker, because you want to cook rice for your family members, right, so they can enjoy a good reunion dinner. And we also have food steamer over here, so do come down to our Asian sale right now. Besides AEROGAZ cooking appliances, we also have Mops steamboat over here. Whoa! Oh my god, look at this here! So we have different types of our cookers actually from Mops, and this is the induction cooker. And we also have the multi-cooker over here whereby you can actually grill your food as well. And we also have induction cooker that comes with pots as well, and you actually can do the steaming of your food as well. And you know what? If you're single, don't worry, we have a single hot pot for you as well.
Hey guys, we have different types of ladder here. This one is a slim ladder, and we have a small ladder also there. This one, and we have different types of trolley, 2-in-1 trolleys and flatbed trolleys. And we have toolboxes, different sizes. We have 3 sizes, and that's it, guys.
And we even have more steamboat set from Mops product, and this is the 2-in-1 hot pot whereby you can actually grill and do your hot pot over here. And we also have the yuanyang one whereby you can actually cook 2 different flavors steamboat for yourself. Oh my god, Mia, what are you doing?
Oh, this is actually a playset for kids. Also available here at ATO Roadshow.
Do you recognize these bright yellow products? Yes, these are all our yellow cleaning products. And take a look over here.
Hey?
Oh, I'm actually cleaning.
We also sell heavy duty fans from Caterpillar. Take a look. Besides appliances and cleaning products, we also have Chinese New Year decoration. Take a look.
This one, guys, we have a white decoration of Chinese New Year here.
Come and visit us at I12KATONG Mall at level 1 Atrium sale.
Yes, guys. Now until 15th of February, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Woo!